Let's unveil the magic of HiFiMan's newest Arya headphone. Take everything you love about the Arya stealth magnets, Arya Organic, and HiFiMan's unveiled design, and you've got the Arya Unveiled headphones. As the newest headphone to join HiFiMan's Unveiled series, it's got a lot to offer at an incredible price. Let's check it out. Getting straight into the design, the Arya Unveiled sports the hallmark features of an unveiled headphone: window shade grille design and magnetic veils. HiFiMan has eliminated traditional grilles that can cause undesired sound reflections and instead implemented a mesh metal grille for a more musical, detailed sound. This window shade design increases the opening rate, maximizing the grille exposure and reducing the portability of reflection and refraction. You've got two removable back panel veils which protect the window shade grilles and drivers from dust and magnetic absorption. They simply just click into place like that, and when you're ready to take them off and listen, just like that. But don't make the mistake of leaving them on when you listen though, because they're solely meant for protection purposes when the headphones are not in use. Fit and comfort-wise, the Arya Unveiled is the perfect HiFiMan headphone, and these headphones always rank high in my book because there's really nothing I love more than that adjustable headband. HiFiMan's headband design leads to an incredible weight dispersion. It's considerably lighter than the Arya Stealth magnets, and it's really only a hair or two lighter than the Arya Organic. I never really felt like my ears carried the entire weight of the headphones, and I enjoyed several hours of comfortable listening easily. The earpads are no different than what we've seen from a HiFiMan headphone in the past. They're cushy, sweat-proof, and breathable. All in all, for $1,400, you get a nicely built high-end headphone. To put it simply, the Arya Unveiled takes the Arya Stealth Magnet's accuracy and technical precision and the Arya Organic's effortless musicality and just brings it together in center stage. You get a rich vocal mid-range that's lively and dynamic, and they do need some juice to drive them, so I found the best success was pairing the Arya Unveiled with a really powerful DAP like the Stellan Kern Ultra, but if you kind of have a powerful amplifier in mind or DAC amp combo, then that would be the way to go with the Unveileds. Also, we did need to burn them in for roughly 10 hours to really get the most out of the drivers. Fresh out of the box, you might be a little kind of what's going on with the sound, and just know that dedicating time to really burn in your headphones makes a world of difference in performance. Overall, the tuning of the Arya Unveiled is pretty linear. It by no means falls into the analytical category. I would consider it to be more neutral, warm-leaning sounding. Very natural overall is the presentation that I get from it. It accurately represents music just the way the artist intended, which, you know, is always the goal. You get a nice natural warmth in the mid-range that's in line with the Arya Organic sound. If I could emphasize anything about the mid-range performance, it's definitely the warmth and richness that you get from it. Female and male vocals had timbre for days. It was resolute, natural sounding, exuding with character. Honestly, it was probably some of the best mid-range performance that I've heard in a while from a headphone. Compared to the Arya Stealth and the Arya Organic, the Unveiled had the most mid-bass slam of all three headphones, and to me, it was by far the most versatile genre-wise. The low-end response of the Unveiled was controlled with some nice physical energy to it, and to my ears, it delivered the most bottom-end weight of all three Arya models. It was rich, musical, with just enough oomph to really support those kind of heavier hitting genres like hip-hop, EDM, and rock, three genres that the Stealth and the Organic can also handle, but in my opinion, just not as well. If you're stuck between the Arya Organic and Arya Stealth magnets, the Arya Unveiled sits happily in the middle, delivering you everything that these two headphones offer, but elevated and refined. To me, the Arya Stealth magnets is the perfect headphone for somebody who loves technical precision. They want fast accuracy with a nice open soundstage. The Arya Organic is perfect for the music lover who wants musicality, but a nice natural, hence the name, organic sound to it. Both the Arya Organic and Arya Stealth magnets have an open and wide soundstage, making them truly an open back headphone through and through. With the Arya Unveiled, I felt that while the soundstage was still open and wide, it just wasn't as big as what I got from the Organic and the Stealth magnets, but once I paired it with a powerful amp and gave it plenty of time to be burned in, it really opened up, and I feel like I experienced a lot more of what I was supposed to with the Arya Unveiled than when they first came right out the box. So if there's anything you take away from this video, burn in your headphones. If they don't sound right as soon as you listen to them, burn them in, and you will be surprised by the performance change. With every new headphone, we put it through rigorous testing, finding all the sonic strengths and sometimes weaknesses. We recommend our Silver Dragon Premium headphone cable for both the Arya Stealth Magnets and Arya Organic, so it's really not surprising how great it sounded with the Arya Unveiled. While I did enjoy the warmth and elevated low-end response the Black Dragon delivered, depending on the song, it was almost too much at times, because the Unveiled has such an amazing low-end response in mid-bass slam. The Silver Dragon Premium headphone cable enhanced the detail retrieval that I already got with the Arya Unveiled, adding a nice amount of clarity to vocals and instruments. With exceptional top-end resolution, I never experienced any sparkle or pitchiness to the Arya Unveiled's tonality. The HiFiMan Arya Unveiled headphones are a welcome addition to the Arya series. If the Arya Stealth Magnets and Arya Organic had a child, it would be the Unveiled. You get the detail, resolution, and accuracy of the Arya Stealth with the organically musical sound of the Arya Organic. From hip-hop to acoustic and classical, the Arya Unveiled sonic performance rivals some of the very best audiophile-grade headphones at a fraction of the price. At $1,400, you really can't beat that. We've got a full written review linked in the description below, so go ahead and give that a look if you want more information on what we think about the Arya Unveiled. As always, don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe so you don't miss a single video. If you like this video and you want to see others from us, give us a like and drop a comment down below. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching.